It's black. It's black tarry.
High up.
High up. What if it's bright red?
Low.
Down low. Is blood in your stool an early sign of colon cancer or late sign?
Late.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a late sign, Ari.
What was the late sign?
What's that?
What did they just say? Was the late sign?
Blood in your stool is an early sign or late sign of colon cancer? Okay. Let's do some diabetes things. What are those little things in your pancreas called that secrete insulin? Is it cells? Okay, is it cells? Right. The one type, it's one diabetes, okay, is when you don't have what? You don't have enough insulin. What's the other type of diabetes? When your insulin is?
Insulin's okay, but you can't get it to the bloodstream.
Yeah, it's defective in some way. The insulin is defective. You're making insulin, it's just defective insulin. Okay? Which one will you be on oral, more likely to be on oral medication for? Yeah. All right. Why do we have to inject insulin? Why can't you just drink it? Think about what insulin is. It's a hormone, but it's also a protein. Why can't we just drink it? It's a protein. We digest it. I mean, it's like eat an egg. We digest it. We would just digest it. We tear it down. Okay, so that's why we can't drink. Just take insulin orally. We have to inject it. All right, because it's a protein. If we just drank it, we digest it. We would never get to where it was supposed to go. All right. Type of diabetes that happens only for a couple months to someone. That's gestational diabetes. Gestational diabetes. All right. Okay. Now, oh my goodness. What's the master gland that controls all the other glands? What's it down? What stimulates the thyroid gland? A hormone that stimulates the thyroid gland. Thyroid stimulating hormone, TSH. If I have any kind of thyroid surgery, what lab value am I going to do? Calcium, right. Adrenal cortex, we're going to talk about. You have a decrease in mineral corticoids, okay? What lab value are we going to be suspicious about adrenal problems in the mineral corticoids? Sodium, right. What medical condition do we see? It's kind of a physical thing we can see when you have elevated glucocorticoids.
Addison's disease.
Cushing. Don't get those two mixed up. People get those mixed up on the test all the time. Cushing disease. Growth hormone. Too much? If I ask you on the test, if your anterior, because you're going to have to think this out. If your anterior pituitary is overstimulated, look at the diagram. Overstimulate that anterior pituitary. Okay? You will be overstimulating how many things? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 things. So what do you think your symptoms will be coming into? Say you have a tumor, anterior pituitary. You have a tumor. And pituitary tumors are common. And you overstimulated all these things. You will come in the doctor Well, prolactin, that's not gonna make a difference from lactate, but, how about, yeah, how about sleep problems, insomnia? Or something? Okay. How about growth? You're gonna have some growth work? Overstimulate the ACTH. What are you gonna overstimulate? Your heart rate's gonna be high, right? Your blood sugar's gonna be up, right? So all these symptoms, you come to the doctor with all these symptoms are gonna lead back to anterior pituitary. You're also gonna have thyroid, okay? You're gonna have thyroid problems. You're going to have calcium problems. If you come in and you got all these symptoms, well, obviously, yeah, the anterior pituitary is the problem. So you'll be able to backtrack the problem, okay? Backtrack the problem.
I have enough memory on here.
Calcitronin does what? What does calcitronin do?
It absorbs calcium.
The bone absorbs calcium, right. PTH, parathyroid hormone, what does that do?
Tells the bone to release calcium.
Releases calcium. Bone releases calcium. Okay. If you have an overactive parathyroid gland, what are your bones going to be like?
Brittle.
Brittle, yeah. Your bones are going to be brittle. You have an overactive parathyroid gland. Your bones are going to be very brittle. Okay? All right. What phase does the cell spend 90% of its time in? Okay. What tissue
Interphase.
is stuck at GO phase and does not won't replicate?
Nerve tissue.
Nerve tissue. Oh, let's see. What is hold on. I'm trying to think of the questions I asked on cell. Oh, I asked one. What happens? What's the term? The cell self-destruct. And it'll self-destruct if something isn't right.
Apoptosis.
Yeah, apoptosis, but something is it DNA? If the DNA's all messed up, all right? It'll self-destruct, okay? It's a built-in mechanism for cancer control, all right? Let's see what else, what did I want to ask you? I didn't ask you too much on the cell, replication. Yeah, I can't let you out yet. All right, I think I asked you pretty much what I have is two tests. That's why I'm kind of keep going. I have two tests, and I'm kind of combining them, taking questions I like on one, taking questions I like on the other one. Okay? And I'm combining into one test. I can't let you out yet. Don't tell me.
Can you just give us a library pass?
No, I can't. I didn't like to do the library class. I'm gonna. You got 15 minutes. I'll let you out 20 up. That's doable, because you're getting down on the capital. I'll let you out 20 up. All right? Don't take notes on me. Oh, the question. I try to keep the questions to 25 questions, so it's easier to write. Each question for 4 points. Easier to write. All right.
I have 75.
On the lab test or this time? Did you take them? Yeah, we all took the lab test like 2 weeks ago.
Oh, yeah.